Tired of your Discord profile looking like everyone else's? Learn how to add custom avatar decorations in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact settings to change your decoration. Just follow these 7 simple steps. Start by opening Discord on your computer. Then, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open User Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Edit Profile. Under your avatar, click on Change Decoration. Browse through the available decorations and click on the one you want. Then, click Apply. Finally, click Save to keep your new avatar decoration. Enjoy! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.